Hey Busy Bees, it's Zung and today I'm back with 5 meal prep ideas that'll take you through your entire work or school day. So I released this as part of the mix, but for the rest of you guys that didn't get to see it yet, I thought you would find this segment really useful. Be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in seeing more healthy meal prep ideas, and we'll go ahead and get started. So when I used to work at a corporate office, this meal right here was pretty typical for me. I'd start my morning off with a venti latte, it might be a mocha or a vanilla latte, and then I'd grab a breakfast sandwich because it was convenient. And then I'd also grab a chocolate chip cookie for afternoon snack. The thing is, when you add all the calories up, this equals to over 1,500 calories, and I never thought twice about it because I was in my 20s and I could afford those calories, but not anymore. So I'm gonna help you be smart about those 1,500 calories. We're gonna have about 5 meals here that'll really power your mind, body, and soul and help you be the ultimate girl boss. So here, I'm gonna show you how I've been starting off my day lately. I've really been into rice cakes. They really have a nice crunch to them and I just really like the flavor. Of course, if you want to, you can always swap it out for a piece of toast. I tend to like Ezekiel toast or whole wheat toast. What I like to do is just spread on some avocados. Usually just about half of an avocado will do. And of course, you guys know I am obsessed with Trader Joe's everything bagel seasoning, and it just goes so well on avocado toast. Sprinkle a little bit on, top it with some grape tomatoes, and that's it for the rice cracker avocado toast. For extra protein, I like to enjoy 1 hard-boiled egg. I always have hard-boiled eggs in the fridge just because they make a really filling and delicious snack. And that's a girl boss breakfast right there. You've got your protein, your carbs, your veggies, healthy fats, everything you need to power your brain early in the morning. This is a girl boss breakfast right here. Of course, we can't forget about our caffeine, and instead of a typical mocha or latte, I like to have just black coffee with a little bit of milk. So as you guys can see, this meal right here is different, but it's not super different from this calorie bomb right here. This has tons of carbs, the bread, the cheese. You have ample amount of protein, but where's the healthy fats and veggies to keep you full? This has everything that you need to keep you satisfied until snack time. All right, so it's mid-morning, 10:30 or 11, and it's almost lunchtime, but not quite there yet. So you're starting to get hungry. Well, I have a yummy and refreshing mid-morning snack for you. We have tomato basil hummus with loads of veggies. Here, I got this tomato basil hummus from Trader Joe's as part of my snack haul that I shared with you guys earlier on this week. I'm just gonna scoop a little bit into my container, and really you can load up on as many veggies as you'd like because they're full of fiber and they're really low calories. Here I have a Persian cucumber and some carrot sticks. Also, the beans from the hummus are full of flavor and fiber as well, so this snack will keep you going till lunchtime. And it's only 80 calories. All right, it's 12:30 or 1 o'clock and it's finally lunchtime. I've been waiting all morning for lunch, and typically every week I make a pot of soup to clean out the veggies, food, whatever I have in my fridge. This week I have a nice big bowl of roasted chicken veggie soup. It's got loads and loads of fiber, delicious protein. I'm gonna fill up my bowl here. I added kale, white beans, carrots, celery, tomatoes, green beans. I even threw in a whole chicken in there to get nutrients from the bones. Really, it doesn't really matter what season I'm in, summer, winter, I can eat soup anytime because it's just comforting to me. This bowl right here is about 350 calories. This soup soup right here is very similar to my lemon chicken noodle soup, so if you guys want to get the recipe for this, I'll link it in the description box below. Now it's about 3 o'clock and I'm starting to get that sugar craving in the afternoon. And to be honest, I just love pairing fresh fruit with some chocolate. Today I'm having a nice bowl of strawberries because they're finally in season. Pack them up. And my dark chocolate with toasted sesame caramels. You guys saw this in my Trader Joe's snack haul the other day. I'm gonna add 2 here. And that's about 200 calories. If I'm feeling like 1 chocolate will do, I'll save this for later and enjoy it with a red wine. So sweet. So if you guys remember, I mentioned that before I used to indulge in a giant cookie like this, and this right here is 570 calories. Can you believe it? This thing, almost as big as my face. It's 6:30 or 7, I just got home from work, I'm starving and I need to eat some dinner. Dinner is super simple and I'm gonna build a rice bowl. Here I have some brown rice that I cooked earlier on in the week. Using it up. I'm scooping about half a cup here. Then I have some freshly steamed broccoli. Took me just a few minutes to steam. Some roasted sweet potatoes. I roasted them in the oven with a little bit of salt and pepper, olive oil, cumin, and chili powder. Simple but full of flavor. And then some leftover steak that I grilled over the weekend. I'll top everything with a little bit of my homemade steak sauce. And that is a Girl Boss weeknight dinner. Filling yet satisfying. I forgot to mention that the rice bowl here is about 450 calories. But you guys, look at this. Everything that you have here is about 1,500 calories. We have 3 full meals and also snacks. This is a great way to really power your body and mind throughout the whole day. We have chocolate to really fill that sugar cravings, and then you have savory snacks to really get you through any of those like salty cravings, and then really yummy and filling meals to keep you going throughout the day. Now, would you guys rather eat all of this or this? So I want to know what types of meals you guys like to bring for work, and if you guys snack a lot. Be sure to comment below and let me know, because this really helps me kind of brainstorm more video ideas for you in the future. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Bye!